Alright, we got one here today. I've already taken it apart, as you guys can see. It had a blown wheel seal. And needed to repack the bearings. Well, I had it apart, and I've already done all that. I'm installing a new wheel seal. But I'm going to take the other side apart too. It's got brand new grease in it. And the other one has brand new grease in it. And that's the tool we use to repack the bearings. So yeah, I'm going to install this seal and then put it back together. And I still got the other side to do. So let me set you guys up and then put it together. Alright, this is the seal installer tool. She's installed like that. Seal's installed. Now we're going to put the seal back on the hub. Try and adjust that a little bit. They are very heavy. And the bearing, pack full of grease, goes in next. It should just sit there for a second. See if I can adjust you guys a little bit better so you can see what I'm doing. I'll slide you over here a little bit. Alright, that right there is about perfect. Next, the washer goes in there. And then the nut. This nut is a I got the size right here somewhere. It is 1 5/8 inches. Alright guys, just adding in there on this video. There's no torque values on this nut. So I'm pretty much doing it by feel. What I like to do is run it all the way in, turn it. Might be too tight already. And back it off some. It will bottom out. Right there, she's tight. And I just back it off just a little tiny bit. It's bottomed out right there. And that's all there is to that. This is your safety lock nut, safety cap. If your hole's not lined up, you can turn it to the next and it'll line up so you can get your cotter pin in. And the cotter pin goes in. That's pretty good right there. Yeah, she's there. She spins one more time. She's good to go. Clean the grease off. Use the gasket. It's the cap that goes on there. More bolts. That's it. You gotta put the caliber back on it. This and the tire. This ought to be done. So, move you guys back over here. And then all we gotta do is lift up the heavy caliber and these bolts hold the caliber to the spindle. Make sure your ABS sensor is all the way in. Let me try and adjust you guys a little bit more. Put you over here. That's a little better shot. There's your caliber. Really? That's better. When the top started, rock washing on that one. And that is it. Alright guys, I'm going to take this time to thank you for watching the videos. Please like, subscribe, share, comment. You don't know what to do? See ya.